Yesterday we got a complaint that one person had received an SMS in which the person had threatened to set off a number of blasts within Shillong city, and the person had come with a complaint, and the complaint was immediately registered, considering that it was a threat which is critical in nature. So thereafter, the special operation team got into the business of actually identifying the person. So overnight, they've been working to identify the person. We finally zeroed down on the person this afternoon. His name is Edward Mayon, 37 years. We arrested him from his temporary residence in New Colony, Byrngem, and we've registered a case under several sections of the BNS. Certain incriminating evidence also was found from his possession, and we are investigating the angle of his involvement with any militant group.